Hey to Numis Canada, that's what I call my subscribers. Hello coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a pickup from the coin shop, and we have another entry into the Lincoln Cent folder, Wheat Cent folder, entry for that. And this one is from Geraldine. And of course, one of our subscribers. How cool is that? We'll be right back with both of these just after this. Welcome back. Well, we'll start off with what's here, and you may recall when you see this that it was one of the prizes that I gave away for my 1,000 subs. There is often coins that I give away that I would much rather have kept for my collection, but I gave them away because you guys are so valuable to me. And this is one of those coins. Fortunately, I saw another one of what I gave away at the 1,000 subs. And this one came in the original packaging. That one I got previously did not, but this one does. And of course, what we have here, and this is in a cassette like container, and we have 50 cent fine gold, and there is our certificate, and this is a Voyageur's 1/25 ounce fine gold. And of course it's 9999 fine silver, and it is 2005. So let me take it out of here and show you. And I'll give you a photograph of this. And of course we turned it over, and it's Queen Elizabeth 2005 in a frosted finish. And I gave this as first prize for my 1,000 subs, or not this one, but another one just like it. And it was won by Emmanuel's Workbench. And I wished I had kept it for myself. So when I saw this, I thought, let's get this, because I don't know how often I'm going to be able to have a chance to get one of these, because I just love this particular coin of the Voyageurs paddling their canoe on this 1/25 ounce gold coin. Now I'll put the specs up on screen, but this is number 8,592, and of course I understood there were 10,000, so that's 8,592, and of course it is, and there's the specifications, 999 pure gold. It measures 13.92 millimeters in diameter, weighs 1.270 grams. The edge is serrated. The finish is proof, and the face value is 50 cents. And of course, this certificate attests that your 2005 1/25th ounce gold coin is authorized by the Government of Canada and contains 4 nines pure gold. The original design by Canadian sculptor Emmanuel Hahn reflects the history of Canada's voyageurs and the native peoples who have braved the wilderness in the country's early years. The coin was expertly struck by the Royal Canadian Mint and has a limited mintage, here it is, of 25,000 coins worldwide, not 10,000, 25,000. So this is in the first half of the printing. That's kind of cool. Signed by the President of the Royal Canadian Mint. And how cool is that? This is a beautiful set. So I will tuck this back in behind. That just rests in behind there in this cassette. And I'll put it away because we have a package to open, and we'll be right back with it just as soon as I put this away. Here we go. And this is from Geraldine. I don't know if she wants me to say her last name, so I'll just say Geraldine B. And I think I need a knife for this because it's taped up really well. There we go. And we have cardboard in here. And a note. Hi, Bruce. It's not much, but I thought I'd enter your penny book giveaway. Tried to pick coins that were missing. Take care. Geri. So, how cool is that? So these coins from Geri are taped in the box. There we go. There we go. And they're in a coin tube. That's pretty cool. And I see a brilliant one there. So look, the stuffing, and there's a brilliant penny in there. And this is almost don't want to touch it. So we've got some coins here. So I have my list here, and this is the list, and we'll put Geri's name on here. Grab a pen, and we have this first one is $1917. Geri, and so that's 1917. Oh. 1913. Geri. And we have, these are all in pretty nice condition. This is a 1929 S, I believe that is. I think I need my magnifying glass. And where did it go? I have my magnifying glass, and well, here we are with these in place. And of course, we have 1955S, 1954S, and I think that's it on this page. And those two fill this page. And on this page, we have 1945S. We have 1942S. We have 1941S, 1941D, 1940D, and that finishes all but the 1943D on this page. We're getting close on these two pages, or we are close on these two pages. So I'll go ahead and push these down, and we'll get on to the first two pages. We'll be right back with that and Geri's total right after this. Here we are with the first two pages, and of course we have in here 1930D, 1929S, 1928D, and over here we have 1917, 1913, so we have 1917, 1913, 1928D, 1929S, 1930, and I think that's it. That's the 5 remaining coins. So, and it looks like with totaling her coins up, she has 27 entries. How cool is that? So those will get added in here. Those will get added in here, and along with any additional ones that come in before this book is full. It's getting there because, as you recall, these other two pages are pretty much full with one exception of the steel 1943. There's one of the three that is missing and can be sent in. And I'll push these down and come back and show you the book as it is with Geri's entries. We'll be right back after this. Here we are with the books as they stand at this point. And in here we start off with the ones that are easy to give you the totals on. So on this page, from 1947D through to 1958D is complete. The next page from 1947 to 1935D is only missing the 1943D steel cent, and that can be sent in, and of course that will be worth 2 points, and because it's a steel, I'll give you an extra point. And on these pages, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 on this page worth 3 points. Now there are some that are worth more points, but that's all explained in the first video. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 still on this first page. So lots of entries still available for those of you who want to participate. And of course, if you want to fill my book, it hasn't changed since the last video. And of course, here we are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in this page. And remember, these are multiple worth a lot more points than the points in this book. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this in this book or on that page. And we go over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 on that page. And this fourth page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 left to fill. So lots of entries to be gained if you put into this book. But once this book is full, that's it. I'm not going to try and fill this book. So, and of course, if you don't specify where you want your coins to go, they will go in this book first. And then, of course, if this one's already full, it will go over into this book. So now I did place all of Geri's coins. So she has a total of 28 entries, not 27, because her additional coin was on this page. So thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon. We hope you enjoyed the gold coin we showed in the beginning and the update to this Lincoln folder with those 2 BU pennies that really shine in this. Now, if you want to upgrade the pennies in here, and you think you have a nicer one to go in, by all means, that'll gain you an entry too. But that's it for today.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.